TikTok has released a brand new feature. A feature that's going to allow creators to monetize their profiles, and I'm not talking about the Creator Fund.
What?
Hey you, it's Kyla Lu, and today I'm going to be sharing all the details on TikTok Live subscriptions and what this means for you as a creator and your content on TikTok. And before we jump into the video, I do have to say, I love this shirt on you. I mean, maybe I would love it even more if you were subscribed. Okay, who am I kidding? I love you and your shirt, regardless if you're subscribed or not. But now that we're on the topic, you should subscribe. This new TikTok Live subscription is going to give creators the opportunity to earn predictable income on TikTok.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Followers can pay a monthly subscription fee to support their favorite TikTokers. Now, in exchange for that monthly subscription, followers can get access to a variety of different rewards. Honestly, it looks like to me that TikTok is taking a page directly from Twitch's and YouTube's book, trying to up its live streaming game, which is great because
TikTok really needs it.
with TikTok Live subscriptions, you'll be able to have access to things like subscriber-only chats, which allow you to connect with your members during a live stream, custom emotes. Creators will get to design and release customized emotes to subscribers to use during live chats, and custom badges. So subscribers receive distinguishing badges that are displayed next to their name on their profile. Okay, let's talk about who gets access to this. This new feature was announced on May 26th of this year and has been in beta testing. So a few creators got early access to start testing this out, but just recently have I started to see creators who were not in that initial beta testing phase start to get access. So I think it's going to begin rolling out to different creators. So I want to make sure you guys know what's happening. So when TikTok Live subscriptions were announced, this is an article from TikTok that was published on May 23rd, 2022. And if I scroll down here to the bottom, you can see here, while we're currently exploring live subscriptions with invite-only creators, you can go and find out more about our monetization opportunities like Creative Next, branded content, and the Creator Marketplace. So at this time, when TikTok Live subscriptions were launched, it was invite-only. But again, I've heard of more and more people who are starting to get access to this, so I think they're starting to open it up. Right now, everyone has the ability to go live on TikTok. Now, quick disclaimer before all of you freak out and jump at the comments and be like, I don't have access to go live.
Help me! Help me!
Obviously, that is assuming you have at least 1,000 followers. So everyone who has at least 1,000 followers has the ability to go live on TikTok. However, once users have access to live subscription, they'll be able to select subscriber only mode to connect with their premium followers. It's as simple as clicking on a button. I think the introduction of this new feature really does have a lot of benefits, like helping creators get to know their best fans, offer exclusive fan Q&As so they can get to know you better, and also potentially limit trolling, because TikTok has a pretty bad history with how mean people can be in the comments, and this could really help limit that, given that people would have to subscribe in order to post comments. So if someone wants to subscribe to your TikTok live stream, first of all, they will need to follow you, and then second, while they're watching your TikTok live, there will be a little star icon next to your name, and they can click on that, and then it will give them the option to subscribe to you. And once you get those subscribers rolling in, you'll be able to see those numbers in your TikTok Live Center. So to be able to use TikTok Live subscriptions, I am really excited about this, you guys, and I think this is a really big step for TikTok, and this is something that they've needed for a while now. But there's a few things that I want to cover here about getting access to TikTok Live subscriptions in just a sec. But obviously, first of all, you have to have just the basic requirements to go live on TikTok. So in case you do not know what that is, you do have to be at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 1,000 followers and be in good standing with the community guidelines on TikTok. And with live subscriptions, understand that memberships or subscriptions can only be sold to people over the age of 18. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on TikTok. So here I am on my TikTok profile, and if I click on the three little bars in the top right-hand corner, there we go. You'll be able to see creator tools, settings and privacy, and my QR code. So I am on a personal account, just so you know. So if I click on creator tools here, this is gonna take me to all of my monetization opportunities within TikTok. So if I scroll down just a little bit, you'll be able to see this is the Creator Next section. So once you apply to Creator Next, you'll be able to apply to these other things as well. And they're all gonna have different requirements. So you've got the Creator Marketplace, tips, video gifts, creator fund, live gifts. So you can click on any of those and look at the requirements, and then you can join those. So basically when you apply for Creator Next, it's going to give you the option to apply to all of these. But if we look at just above that here, we have lives. So you have Live Center, Live Creator Hub, and subscriptions. So this is going to be rolling out to people. So if you click on this here, you can see start subscription to build your live community. So the first requirement is to have live access. So that's going to be having at least a minimum of 1,000 followers, being 18 years old, following the community guidelines and all of that good stuff. You can see this second one, which I don't apply for, go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days. So I need to do that. That's pretty easy. I know for all of you who have not gone live yet, that might seem really scary, but that's actually pretty easy. And then, you can see right here, have at least 1,000 followers. So once I hit that requirement, I can then go ahead and click OK, and it's going to take me in, and I'll be able to start figuring out how to use the TikTok live subscription. So they've got a little dashboard here. These are not my actual earnings. These are just, showing people, but you can see here with 1,600 subscribers, you can be earning $3,360 a month, which is pretty awesome. So that is pretty cool. So this is an estimation and not guaranteed, but that kind of gives you an idea of what's happening. And then these are different creators who have tried it out. So you can go in and watch those videos. Now, I wasn't able to find a ton of information on this, and I'm sure as more and more people start using it, we'll be able to understand how the pricing is really going to work. But I did find a few articles here that did say that the pricing will likely mimic that of Twitch's, meaning the pricing could range from $5 per subscription all the way up to $25. Now, obviously, I would assume TikTok is taking a cut of that, as well as if they're using any sort of payment processor to deliver your earnings to you, there may be a cut out of that as well, but it is unverified at the moment, at least to me. And if you have access to this feature and you've got subscribers and you're earning money, you will receive a payout on the 15th of every single month from your gift balance. Now, I know it mainly seems like TikTok has created this to accommodate their gaming streamers, especially with the launch of mobile gaming for TikTok Lives. And yes, gaming is a big factor, but I also think it's going to benefit a lot of other TikTok content creators. It appears TikTok has invited a broad variety of creators to try out subscriptions, including artists, vloggers, beauty experts, ASMR creators, Spanish language creators, musicians, dancers, and more. So if you're sitting there thinking, well, I'm not a gamer, this isn't gonna work for me, you may want to think again. So there you guys go. That is everything that I know about TikTok live subscriptions, and I would really love to get in and try it myself, because all the information that I've delivered to you guys today is from all of my extensive research on articles and videos and TikTok and all of that good stuff. So I would really love to dive in and try it myself. So let me know if you guys would be interested in me creating a video on that. If you guys found any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing, because it really does help support my channel so much. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.